Humanoid robots are no longer science fiction. They're here, they're strong, and sometimes they snap. A Unitree H1 robot just violently malfunctioned mid-test, shocking engineers and sparking new fears about the future of robotics. Let's break down what happened, why it matters, and how the world is preparing for a future where humanoid machines are everywhere. A clip is going viral of a Unitree H1 humanoid robot strapped to a crane for a stress test. Engineers wanted to simulate full-body control in mid-air, with the robot executing a motion command despite no ground contact. But what happened next shocked even seasoned roboticists. Instead of executing the command safely, the robot snapped into a violent thrash, swinging with full torque and crashing against the crane. The sheer force nearly destabilized the rig, creating a moment that could have seriously injured anyone standing close. This wasn't a movie malfunction. It was raw machine torque, unleashed by an AI-driven humanoid body. And here's the kicker. This isn't the first time we've seen humanoid robots behave unpredictably. REC Robotics' lead engineer gave a breakdown. The command system was triggered while the robot had no ground reference point. Without proper grounding, the stability algorithms miscalculated torque distribution, leading the robot to fire off its full strength in the wrong direction. Essentially, it's like telling a human to jump while suspended in the air. The nervous system fires the muscles, but with no ground to push off, the movement spirals out of control. This highlights a critical flaw in humanoid robotics. Our control systems are powerful, but not foolproof. And when these systems glitch, whether because of missing sensor data, unexpected conditions, or software miscalculations, the result isn't just a harmless error. It can be violent, destructive, and dangerous. This Unitree incident adds to a growing list of robot mishaps. Public festival incident in China. A humanoid demonstration robot froze mid-performance, then suddenly lurched forward, toppling equipment and nearly colliding with spectators. Testing lab disasters. In several Chinese labs, humanoids performing industrial lifting trials have dropped heavy payloads unexpectedly due to grip miscalculations, sometimes crushing parts of the test rigs. International cases. Even in the US and Japan, robots built for military or disaster response training have suffered glitch surges where motors lock or overextend, sometimes breaking themselves in the process. The pattern is clear. As robots gain more strength, their failures get more dangerous. Meanwhile, China is making massive investments into humanoid robotics. In Sichuan, a new large-scale humanoid robot training facility has just been launched. This site is more than a test lab. It's designed like a military boot camp for robots, where humanoids will train in healthcare simulations, lifting patients, assisting in hospitals, manufacturing floors, operating alongside humans in factories, disaster response, navigating rubble, carrying supplies, rescuing people, public service roles, logistics, customer service, even security patrols. By 2030, China aims to deploy humanoid robots across every major sector, making them as common as industrial robotic arms are today. Here's the reality. These humanoids are not toys. They run on powerful electric motors, hydraulic systems, and AI-driven balance algorithms. A single misfire can cause broken bones, crushed equipment, or worse. Imagine a robot assisting in a hospital. If a glitch like the Unitree incident occurs, the consequences could be devastating. This is why engineers are racing to solve core issues like safety shutdown systems that can override rogue commands, real-time fail-safes to detect instability before torque fires, better human-robot interface designs to prevent accidents in shared spaces. For years, we've seen flashy demos, robots dancing, backflipping, or pouring drinks. But the game has changed. We're now entering a phase where robots are expected to perform real-world jobs. Governments and corporations are investing billions into scaling humanoids. Training programs are shifting from entertainment value to workforce integration. This is why every incident, every malfunction becomes a case study in safety, control, and accountability. The race isn't just technological, it's geopolitical. China, scaling fastest, with state-backed humanoid programs and national training facilities. United States companies like Tesla, Optimus, and Boston Dynamics are building high-efficiency humanoids for logistics and manufacturing. Japan and South Korea, leading in humanoids for elder care and service roles with softer, more human-friendly designs. Each region is taking a different approach, but all are converging on the same challenge, making humanoids reliable enough for society. Whenever incidents like the Unitree malfunction go viral, public reaction is split. Some see it as proof robots aren't ready. Others argue this is just part of engineering evolution. History shows us airplanes crashed before commercial aviation became safe. Cars had deadly flaws before safety standards were enforced. Computers once crashed daily. Now they run critical infrastructure. The same trajectory may happen with humanoids, but the risks today feel more visceral because these machines look like us, move like us, and sometimes lose control like us. For humanoid robots to truly integrate into society, engineers must solve trust and predictability. Humans must feel safe around them. Transparency in AI decisions. Why did the robot move the way it did? Fail-safe hardware designs. Making sure that if software fails, the machine doesn't lash out. Without these, public acceptance could collapse, even if the technology is ready. The Unitary H1's violent malfunction isn't just a viral scare video, it's a warning. Humanoid robots are moving out of the lab and into the real world. They are fast, strong, and incredibly capable, but also dangerously unpredictable when they glitch. China is pushing forward with full-scale deployment. The US and Japan are racing to catch up, and the next few years will determine whether humanoids become trusted partners in society or feared machines we keep at arm's length. The future of robotics will not be decided by how well they can dance, but by how safely they can work, live, and adapt among us. If you found this breakdown eye-opening, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more deep dives into the world of AI and robotics. Because the future isn't coming, it's already here, and it's moving faster than we think.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.